Okay guys, this is a video review of a Pokemon trading card for Vaporeon. This is Power Elemental Teen. So this is Vaporeon. I just got this. So let's unbox this thing. Hey guys, this is how it looks. How do you open it? Okay. See the content inside it. We have promo card. Vaporeon, and we have the code, and it including 4 booster cards. Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, we're going to open the first booster box. We have it. We have Ponyta, Smog, Voltorb, Squirtle, Bronzor, Spirit Bomb. Wow! Eevee and Snorlax. Cool. Energy card. Kakuna, Rapidash, training card, and the code. The second one. The code. We have Cutiefly, Hoppip, Tangela, Nincada, Chinchou, Boypool, Unknown, Energy card, Go-Goat, Moo Milk, Fairy Charm. The third one, Ancient Origins. Let's open it up. Okay, we have Spinarak, Quagsire, Magikarp, Unknown, Baltoy, Relicanth, Volcarona, Emperor Spirit Link, Sligo, Ace Trainer, and the board card scan card. Okay, the last one is Sun and Moon Team Up Booster Pack. Let's open it up. Scan code. Nidoran, female. Magikarp, Alolan Geodude, Bronzor, that's another double, Dratini, Weedle, Prime Ape, Energy card, Tentacruel, Return Label, and Nidorina. Okay guys, that's it for the unboxing video of Vaporeon. If you like it, like and subscribe. If you want to see more unboxing videos, subscribe. And I just got this today, so stay tuned for more unboxing video in future. Thanks for watching. Bye.